We all live here. We want to know what's happening and why is it happening the way that it is. Space offers us a bird's eye view of our planet.
The satellites that we have today are so much more advanced. It's like living in science fiction when you think about it. Today we can do everything from that big picture view to zooming down in on a small location.
Well, the Earth is a system. Everything is connected, the atmosphere, the oceans, the air, all of that has to work together. So there is always a balance, that exists around Earth, and we can measure it, we can see it.
Sometimes we think of the polar regions as these remote places disconnected from us, and nothing could be further from the truth. Changes in the sea ice cover change how our atmosphere works, changes our weather all over the planet, but especially here in North America. And changes in the land ice, the glaciers of the Arctic and of Greenland and of Antarctica, they change our local sea levels. And one of the best ways to study those is by satellite, because you're trying to cover continental scale areas.
If an impending storm is coming in, we know that usually days in advance. And so these early warning systems and observations all come from NASA technologies that have been launched to space.
We can, from space, see how the Earth is changing. We have views from Nevada and how Las Vegas has impacted the area around through the years and how the sprawl has taken over the desert. So it is just an amazing way to see rapid progression of those images and how the landscape changes because of human action.
Here it is, this little blue marble that's really a spaceship. And all of us are on it. And everybody you've ever known, everybody you care about is down on that little planet. And then you extrapolate that and go, wow, every human existence that has ever happened in all of time is down on this little thing that I went around in 90 minutes. And all of a sudden the Earth seems very finite. And that the more people that see our planet from that vantage point, the better we'll be to each other and maybe to our home planet.
Earth is the only planet that we know that hosts life. Therefore, we absolutely must protect it. And NASA is the agency that can understand what's causing the changes to the Earth in a way that can inform policymakers so they can make good decisions.
First and foremost, we have to understand the planet that we live in and try to preserve it for our future generations.
Subscribe for more of NASA's 60th anniversary.